Hey guys, welcome back to your channel. So do I need to cut studs for 15mm wheel spacers? If the depth of the wheel spacer is smaller than the length of the standard studs, the wheels used must allow for small cavities in the mounting pad of the wheel. If using wheels without cavities, the standard studs should be shortened so that they do not extend beyond the height of the spacer. So that's all for today's video. If you want to get these bonus wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe our new channel, Bonus Wheel Fitments.